Hello students. In today's daily drug concept, we are going to learn very interesting topic, that is thyroxine, right? So we'll see what is thyroxine. Basically, it's a hormonal therapy, right? So when we talk about thyroxine, the thyroid gland, the organ that comes in our mind, which produces or which synthesizes this or which releases this hormone, right? Thyroid hormones. But thyroxine is a medicine which is a hormonal therapy which is given, which is taken orally, the thyroxine tablets. So let us see what is the thyroxine. Indication in the treatment of hypothyroidism, right? So what is hypo? Means which is less than the normal level. So that is the hypo and the thyroid hormones. So when the level of thyroid hormones which are lesser than the normal levels in our body, that is called hypothyroidism. That means the thyroid glands are not releasing this hormone or not making this hormone in the normal range. Then there is a lack of these hormones in our body. The hormone is not present in the normal level in our body because thyroid glands are not making or not releasing this hormone in the proper amount. Mechanism of action, how this medicine thyroxine works or how these drugs works. Thyroxine is a synthetic version of a hormone produced by the thyroid gland, right? So it is a synthetic version of a hormone which is produced by the thyroid gland. It works by replacing thyroid hormones that our thyroid gland cannot produce. What happens? So thyroxine works on the thyroid glands. It acts on the thyroid gland. What is the function of thyroid glands? The function of the thyroid gland is to produce thyroid hormones, right? But when these thyroid glands cannot produce thyroid hormone, then thyroxine works on the thyroid gland to produce this hormone and relieves the symptoms of hypothyroidism, right? So when thyroxine works on the thyroid gland and it relieves the symptoms of hypothyroidism. So what are the symptoms? Tiredness, weight gain and depression. These are the symptoms of hypothyroidism, right? When thyroid gland of our system, of our body is not able to produce the hormone. Which hormone? That is the thyroid hormone, right? So thyroid hormone, it is not in a normal amount in our body, right? Then what happens? What is given? Thyroxine is given to treat hypothyroidism because thyroid hormone is not releasing or not synthesizing in the body in the proper amount which is required by the body. So that condition is called hypothyroidism, and in such condition or for the treatment of hypothyroidism, thyroxine medicine is given or the thyroxine drug is given. So it acts on the thyroid gland and it relieves the symptoms of hypothyroidism. So what are the symptoms? Tiredness, weight gain and depression, right? So these symptoms are relieved by thyroxine. So which are the brands available in the market of thyroxine? There are different SKUs, different strengths of thyroxine based on what is the hypothyroidism level of the patient. So there is one brand Thyronorm which is 37.5 microgram. The brand name is Thyronorm from Abbott. Then there is Thyrox. Thyrox brand is from Macleods which is 25 microgram. Students, here the tablets are available in micrograms, right? Thyroxine. So different brand name Thyronorm, Thyrox, and third is Ultroxin. So Ultroxin is 100 microgram. So based on the hormonal level in the patient, the doctor recommend the thyroxine dosage to the patient. So some doctors recommend sometimes 37.5 microgram, sometimes 25 microgram. There are 50 microgram tablets are also available, and some patient need 100 microgram. So based on the patient requirement, what the thyroid hormone level in that patient's body, the doctor recommends the medicine thyroxine. So maybe 37.5 micrograms, sometimes 25 microgram, 50 micrograms or 100 micrograms. So based on the hormone level in patient's body, right? So today we have seen about the drug that is thyroxine and its usage in the treatment of hypothyroidism. When thyroid gland is not able to produce thyroid hormone in the proper amount or in the normal level in our body, then thyroxine medicine is given orally to treat hypothyroidism and relieve the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Thank you students for watching this video on thyroxine.